Log into your ANZ account with just a glance by enabling Face ID on your iOS device. First, ensure you have the latest version of the ANZ mobile banking app installed on your iPhone. Open the app and navigate to the login screen. You'll see an option to log in with Face ID. Tap on this. Your iPhone will then prompt you to allow the ANZ app to use Face ID if you haven't set up Face ID on your device already. You'll be guided through that process for this tutorial. We'll assume Face ID is already enabled on your phone. Tap Continue or Allow to proceed. The app will then confirm that Face ID has been successfully linked to your ANZ account. From now on, you can simply look at your phone to log in securely. To further enhance security, you can also enable Face ID for transaction authentication. To do this, tap on your profile icon, usually found in the top corner of the app. Within your profile settings, look for a section related to security or biometric login. Tap on this option to access your security preferences. Here, you'll find toggles to enable Face ID for both logging in and authorizing transactions. Make sure the toggle for authorizing transactions is switched on to enjoy seamless and secure approval of your banking activities. Now, whenever you need to make a payment, transfer funds, or authorize a transaction within the ANZ app, simply grant permission with Face ID. It's that easy to keep your banking both convenient and protected. Enabling Face ID streamlines your access and adds an extra layer of security. For any further assistance, visit the ANZ website or contact their support team.